To create a group, you simply use the frame where you see the groups and users, and you click on the plus sign. I'm gonna add here my test group. If you have a multi-practice license, you can uncheck this option, and then therefore each group for a separate practice. You can have multi-groups with multi-practices, but if you have just one practice, I would recommend to select all practices and save. Now the group is over here. Instead of the multi-practices name, you're going to see all practices instead, and here you can start adding your users. To remove a group, first make sure you do not have users under the group, which we're going to show you in another lesson. And as soon as the group is empty, you right click and remove the group. Confirm, double confirmation, and a triple. If there are users under the group, they will be automatically removed. And that's just how you add and remove groups from the permission setup. Thanks for watching.